Nung bata po ako, I always remember only one woman can help me. Nung bata po ako, palagi ako sumigaw sa kanya, palagi ako humingi ng tulong sa kanya. No other my mother. I think it's also our experience. When we have problem, when we have some difficulty, we run to our mother. We ask help from our mother. When I know in Latran, Manawak, when I work there, I also see the mother always waiting in the waiting shield. And kung meron ng tawak yung mga teacher, una-una yung pupunta yung mama, hindi yung papa. Kasi mother knows better. Mother know the best. And today we celebrate the memorial of the holy name of Mary. Ito yung, I think, we thank the Lord for the gift of the Mother Mary in our life. We thank the Lord for the Mother who always pray and protect us, who always listen to our prayer and ask our prayer to the Lord also. Bring our prayer to her Son also. But the Gospel today talk about the visitation of Mary to Elizabeth. One thing we can see in the Gospel, Mary always bring hope and help. Alam niya, nabuntis si Elizabeth in the old age. Agad-agad pupunta si Mary to Judea to help. Mary always make her available to help his cousin. Mary bring hope to Elizabeth. Alam niya mahirapan si Elizabeth ng kanyang edad, sa advance ng age niya, to have a baby. Mary being there with Elizabeth. What we can learn, what we can reflect from this. My dear brothers and sisters, mga kapatid, Mary is always there for us also. As you now visit the Minor Basilica, you bring your prayer to Mary, so Mary will bring also your prayer to her Son. Mary always listening, and Mary will ask the help for her Son also. Mary not only just there, but he do something for us also. We not direct our prayer and make Mary is somewhere, something big for us, but we know Jesus also listened to her, to his mother. So we came to Mary. We asked Mary to bring our prayer. Pangalawa, mga kapatid, mga kaibigan, in Dominican order, all our formation start na novitiate until student brother or seminary, we also under her protection. If you can see in my right, there are novices is the one start their formation in Dominican. They stay in this minor basilica. Why? Because they need to close to the mother. Malayo sila pinagalingan. Taga Zamboanga, taga Davao, taga Indonesia, taga Sri Lanka. They came together in Manawak for their formation, but they also close with a Mother Mary. After 1 year finish here, in Manawak, they go to Santo Domingo. In Santo Domingo, we also know the shrine of Lanafal, Our Lady of Lanafal. All the formation of Dominican under the protection of Our Lady. Bakit? Because we know the mother who take good care, the mother who listen to our prayer. So when they have problem, when us Dominican have problem, we also run to Our Lady. We talk to Our Lady, not other people. We ask the help of Our Lady to give us strength, to give us hope, and to help us to face the difficulty. Our Lady knows better. So I think in this Mass, as we celebrate the memorial of His holy name, don't be afraid to call her name, to call her in our life, to call her and to help us to walk in our difficulty. And I believe Our Lady listened to us and will bring our prayer to the Lord. Amen. Please stand.